And y'all know how weird I am. Guess where my dumbass was when it turned really, really black over there and the wind started blowing about 70 miles. I was out there, I don't know, about 150 yards from the bank of Lake Texoma. On the water. And man, I remember there comes a point where the panic just stops. And I remember I had a moment where I was sitting there in the boat and the waves were kind of starting to crash over a little bit. And this freaking song right here just popped into my head, man. I was having one of those days.